Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a groceries list for your shopping so that you will not gonna miss any item whenever you go into the marketplace or shopping center. So here to do that, we just need to open the Apple Notes. You just need to open the app library and just simply click Notes. And right after that, you just need to go click it and you just need to go create the new notes. Right after that, you just need to type the groceries and to create a list. We just need to go click return and you just need to take a look on this bottom side with this line, and there will be like 5 options. You just need to go click this part and they will give you a list option. Now you just need to type any item that you want to buy on the store. Let's say here you want to, or you need to buy the water and then the vegetable oil, and then probably you need some toothpaste and so on and so on. And whenever you go into the store and then you already got the item, you just need to go click the checklist into the circles, means that you already got this item, so you will not gonna miss any item to buy here. So that is the way how to create a groceries list on Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.